Alright, so let's go ahead, sign up to SendGrid so that we can start using the email service. So let me sign up SendGrid. SendGrid start for free. Okay, so enter the email address ryanstripeseller@gmail.com. Password. Oh my god, it's 16 characters. Alright, I just typed my password twice and thank god it was 16 characters long. It's ridiculous. I don't know why they do it, but we don't have a choice, do we? Let's create an account. Okay, Ryan Tingle Company, Colorado. Okay, phone number, developer, how many? 0 to 100,000. How many employees? 1 to 500. Get started. Thank god they didn't require my email. Oh, sorry, phone number. Alright, now you can see we have this beautiful dashboard here on the side, and I guess we have to go to the settings and get the API keys. Now before we get the generate the API key, before we create that, you can see there's a notification, ready to send your first email, follow our guides for email API. Okay, that's not the one. There should be another option where we have to actually sign up. We have to do something, otherwise the emails don't work. That one, let me just double check here. Account details, alert settings, that's not the one. Sender authentication, yeah, that is the one. Okay, looks like we don't need to do anything at the moment. Maybe they changed. Otherwise we had to verify the sender email. You know, you enter the email address, they would send you the test email or something. That's only then you would be able to start using API keys, but looks like we don't have to at the moment, which is good. All right, so let's create API keys. Let's give full access, create and view, or API name. Let's say Ryan links daily React native app. Okay, so that's my API key. Let me copy that, and don't expose this, don't share this with anyone. Okay, don't push this to GitHub. Make sure you have git ignore files, because once it is exposed it will not work. I'm showing this to you because once this recording is done I will be deleting this. Alright, so make sure you keep that safe, and once you get that you can just put here. Awesome. Now we should be good to go with sending emails as well. Now if we have any issues, obviously we'll come back and fix, but otherwise it looks alright. I was hoping there was some kind of a sender authentication or some kind of step used to be before, but at the moment I don't really see that. But we can always come back and check that later. Oh, actually it's here. Create a sender identity. Before sending a first email, you will need to create a sender identity. Yeah, that's the one. You have to do that, otherwise the emails won't be sent. Okay, let's complete this one as well. Create a single user. Now because we're not using the email ending with the domain name, for example Ryan at mywebsite.com. Since we're not using that, these emails end up in a spam folder. Okay, so make sure to check your spam folder later. Don't forget that, please. Okay, so create a sender. Ryan from email address we will be using ryanstripeseller@gmail.com. reply to attempting to send from a free email address domain like is not recommended. Yeah, that's why they put it in the spam folder, but unfortunately we don't have our own domain email, so that's all right. We can try with this one. Company address. Oh, come on. I guess city. Why they need all these details? Oh, that's for US. Country. Okay. Nickname is also required. How fun is that? Alright, let's create. Sender has been created. To verify, check your inbox. Alright, let me check my inbox. Okay, that's great. We got that email. Their service is pretty good, I can tell you that. Let's verify a single sender so that we can, yes, obviously. Sender verified. Congratulations. Perfect. All right. So we are done with our magically created API with Node.js, Express, and all the other good NPM packages. All right. So let's go back. All right. So in the next video, we're going to start making post requests from our client side application, because there is not much to do in the backend. It's all ready to go.